Everyone knows about DevOps jobs. So DevOps is the most demanded, trending and popular technology in software industries nowadays and the future as well. So along with the DevOps also one more technology is there, nothing but DevOpsSec. Okay, we can also call DevOps Security. So this job role is also going to very popular in the upcoming years. The reason is I'm going to explain with a real-time example, and I will also explain what exactly DevOpsSec and what is the main purpose of this DevOpsSec job role, so to implement the software projects. Okay, first let me define what is DevOpsSec. DevOpsSec is a practice of integrating security into the DevOps process. In simple term, we can say for every software development lifecycle step, it provides the security. Even if you are in a developing phase or testing phase or deployment phase, this DevOps team will provide the security for each and every phase. Let me break down this technical definition with a real-time example. Imagine you are building a house. DevOps is like having a team, like architects, builders and inspectors. They work together to design, build and maintain the house quickly and efficiently. Here DevOpsSec is adding the security experts to the team from the beginning of the project. Security experts ensure that the doors are having a strong lock and windows are having secure and the foundation is very strong. Like this security experts team will check for every phase whenever you are building the house. Now let me take one real-time example. You are developing a mobile banking application. The development phase, developers used to write the code for the application or app. Here with DevOps team, they use tools to automatically check for security vulnerabilities like SQL injection and weak encryption. And next one, testing phase. Here the testing team will test the applications functionality wise and performance wise. Same time with DevOpsSec, the secure tests also run to ensure that the application can handle hacking attempts or data breaches. And next one is deployment phase, that means operation phase. In this phase, application is deployed into the app store for users to download. In this phase with the DevOpsSec, the deployment process includes for security vulnerabilities in the server infrastructure and ensuring security connections. So once the deployment phase security is over, next monitoring phase. Here the application or app is live and users are using it. In this phase with DevOpsSec, the team continuously monitoring the suspicious activities like unauthorized access attempts. So like this, DevOpsSec is providing the security whenever you are implementing any software project for each phase in the design phase and development phase and deployment phase and monitoring phase as well. Hope you understand why DevOpsSec is important matter. Okay, for better protection and faster fixing, and also it helps the compliance as well. If anyone interested to learn this course, you can happily start this course. So because this is one of the rapidly growing job role in the future also. Okay, so along with the DevOps job roles, DevOps consultant, so you can better to upgrade your skills with DevOpsSec. So if you really love this content, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.